this speedform accelerated pedal controller right now. Go to my GT charger. Damn, that's how that thing look. Headlight, check me out. Yes, sir. Company right here. Let's go ahead and they got a side light, front light, bright as I don't know what. Then they got a side light right here for you. As y'all can see, it's lighting up the thing down here. That's the headlamp. Y'all see how bright headlamp is right here. And this thing works. First things first, have to detach this little pin up under here. There's a pin there. There's a pin right there. Had to take those off. That way we can get to the accelerator pedal. See, we got it down. And what we're trying to get to, right up in here, right up in there. This is the wire we're going for. So we gotta detach this wire out of the box. Oh, we got it. So we got the mill connected from coming out of the accelerator. Now we need to put from the controller back into my accelerator pedal, and we should be good to go. It's a nice sunny day out. Nice clouds. Yeah. Bam. Connected. Boom. Take that wire from there. Slide it right through there. Yeah. Can't even tell. I think I'm gonna mount it here. Do it there. Put this back up. Alright, let's go ahead and start her up. No codes. I'm good. Alright, got my different modes. Economy, normal, P1, P2, P3. Sport mode, all the way up 3, sensitivity 9. I'm gonna go ahead and see what this one do. I'm gonna let this car go before I even tap on the gas.